Businesses everywhere are racing toward AI, yet most Microsoft users don't realize they're already sitting on a massive head start. This shift is happening quietly, inside tools your team already uses, and what you do in the next year will shape your company's competitiveness for the next decade. In this video, you'll learn how to activate real AI capabilities across Microsoft 365, .NET applications, Power Platform, and your enterprise data layer without rewriting anything. Part 1. Copilot Everywhere. AI you can deploy instantly. Copilot for Microsoft 365 is the fastest way for any Microsoft-based business to start using AI today. It doesn't require rewriting code. It doesn't require cloud migration, and you don't need data scientists to make it work. Copilot integrates directly into Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams, and PowerPoint. This means your employees stay inside the tools they already know while gaining the ability to summarize, draft, rewrite, analyze, and automate work using natural language. The onboarding cost is incredibly low because the learning curve is almost flat. The biggest advantage is psychological. Copilot reduces fear of AI. When employees see small daily wins, faster emails, cleaner documents, instant meeting summaries, they begin to trust AI as a helper, not a threat. That mindset shift makes future AI projects dramatically easier to adopt. Licensing is straightforward. While enterprise plans vary, most organizations can activate Copilot for a subset of users first. Train your champions early: power users, analysts, managers, and documentation-heavy roles. Their success becomes your internal case study. This is the easiest and fastest AI ROI you will ever generate. The most effective training approach is prompt coaching. Show users simple patterns. Rewrite this professionally. Summarize the key decisions in this email chain. Extract action items from this meeting transcript. Analyze this spreadsheet for trends. These small requests unlock real efficiency, often within minutes of activation. Part 2. AI inside existing .NET applications without rewrites. Most organizations believe they must rebuild aging applications to use AI. That's wrong. Your current .NET applications are an asset, not a liability. You can add semantic search, natural language chat, content classification, or smart automation into a 10-year-old .NET system in days, not months, days. And you don't touch the core business logic at all. Here's how. You call the OpenAI API or Azure OpenAI from new service layers around your existing code. The legacy system continues doing what it always has. The AI layer simply becomes the intelligent front end that helps users interact with it. This is exactly how companies add an internal copilot to .NET systems. A simple service class sends user questions, documents, or instructions to an LLM. The model returns guidance, structured answers, suggested actions, or even generated code snippets. Your developers don't need Python. They don't need to migrate to new stacks. They stay entirely in C# with familiar patterns. Semantic Kernel takes this even further. It lets you inject intelligent workflows directly into existing features. Want to add smart document interpretation, guided forms, reasoning-based recommendations, natural language data lookup? Semantic Kernel bridges your code with LLMs using plugins, planners, and connectors, all inside .NET. This is how you give every legacy app Copilot-style power. Part 3. Power Platform. AI without writing code. Power Platform lets your team build real AI workflows without writing traditional code. That means business users, analysts, and operations teams can create AI solutions on their own. Power Automate, Power Apps, and AI Builder allow you to orchestrate intelligent processes between your Microsoft tools. You can automate email triage, classify documents, extract data, process approvals, or trigger workflows based on AI interpretation. Example: an Outlook mailbox receives inbound requests. Power Automate routes them based on AI Builder classification. A SharePoint document is uploaded. AI Builder extracts fields, validates content, and populates a SQL row. A Teams message is posted to notify the right group, all without writing a single line of code. Power Apps pushes this even further. You can create AI-enhanced mobile or desktop applications that integrate with Dynamics, SharePoint, SQL, or even your legacy systems. A simple app can help employees search policies in natural language, upload documents for automatic processing, or receive instant recommendations. If your team can build Power Apps, they can build AI. This is where Microsoft shops gain massive leverage. Instead of waiting months for developers to deliver features, non-technical teams can prototype AI workflows in days. IT simply hardens them afterward. This parallel development accelerates your entire digital transformation. Part 4. AI in your data layer. Search plus retrieval plus RAG. Your data is the real fuel of AI, and you can unlock it without building a data lake or rewriting storage systems. Azure Cognitive Search allows you to index enterprise content, file shares, SharePoint libraries, CRM systems, SQL databases, and more. With vector search enabled, your organization gains semantic relevance, the ability to understand meaning, not just keywords. This is the foundation of RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Instead of letting an LLM guess, you feed it authoritative business documents. The model generates answers grounded in your policies, contracts, procedures, and transaction history. It's like giving your organization a corporate brain, one that's searchable in natural language. Use cases include knowledge bases that finally work, contract search with clause-level precision, policy lookup that understands context, customer support chatbots trained on internal documents, compliance systems that cite source materials directly. RAG ensures accuracy, mitigates hallucinations, and preserves governance. Most companies already have enough structured and unstructured content to build high-value retrieval systems today. And Microsoft provides the connectors, security model, and indexing tools to operationalize all of it quickly. This is the bridge between simple AI experimentation and enterprise-grade AI. Part 5. AI adoption and ROI training. Activating AI is easy. Getting ROI requires strategy. Most organizations underestimate the human side of AI adoption. Employees must learn how to think with AI, not just click features. That means structured training, prompt patterns, best practices, examples, and coaching. AI becomes powerful only when paired with skilled users. Start with role-based enablement. Writers, analysts, managers, legal teams, HR, finance, and customer support each need tailored guidance. Show them prompts that match their workflow. Let them see wins immediately. One effective technique is the before versus after demonstration. Show an employee a tedious process they do every day. Then show how Copilot finishes it in seconds. That moment shifts behavior permanently. Next, appoint AI champions in every department. These are early adopters who answer questions, share examples, and build simple templates. Champions accelerate adoption better than formal training alone. Behavior change creates the ROI. Finally, measure usage. Look for reductions in document creation time, email processing, meeting reporting, and analysis cycles. These metrics help justify expansion and guide your 90-day AI roadmap. Part 6. Building AI assistants with .NET plus Semantic Kernel. Once Copilot builds confidence, the next logical step is internal AI assistants built directly into your .NET applications. Semantic Kernel makes this simple. It bridges your code with LLMs using plugins, planners, memory stores, and connectors. Instead of writing monolithic AI pipelines, you add modular skills that your application can call like normal services. Imagine a 12-year-old .NET inventory system. You can embed a natural language assistant that explains stock anomalies, generates supplier emails, predicts shortages, and creates summaries. No rewrite, no migration, just a service class and a few semantic functions. Semantic Kernel handles chaining multiple APIs, storing contextual memory, breaking tasks into multi-step plans, grounding LLM reasoning in your business rules. This gives your legacy stack Copilot-level intelligence. Most importantly, your team stays in C#. They use familiar dependency injection, async patterns, logging, and middleware. AI simply becomes another service in the architecture. This is AI empowerment, not disruption. Organizations adopting this approach often discover rapid wins: automated research, guided workflows, cross-system orchestration, and natural language interfaces that simplify training and reduce errors. It's the most scalable path to enterprise AI maturity. Part 7. Your first 90 days, a practical AI roadmap. The first 90 days determine whether your AI strategy becomes reality or stalls. You need a roadmap that produces wins while avoiding overreach. Start with 3 quick wins. Activate Copilot for a pilot group. Build a Power Automate workflow using AI Builder. Add a simple API-based AI feature to a .NET application. These wins build momentum, confidence, and internal support. Next, choose a proof of value project, something meaningful but contained. Document processing, knowledge search, customer support triage, or internal Q&A systems are ideal candidates. Involve your best employees, the experts who know the workflows, the pitfalls, the tribal knowledge. They help spot inefficiencies that AI can solve, and they become evangelists when they see results. Adoption sequence is critical. Start with Copilot, build comfort. Add workflow automation, build efficiency. Add .NET assistance, build capability. Add RAG systems, build intelligence. This order creates a staircase instead of a leap. The goal is not perfection, it's acceleration. The companies that win with AI are the ones willing to test, learn, refine, and deploy continuously. Microsoft ecosystems already have the infrastructure. All you need is the decision to start. Today you saw how Microsoft shops can activate real AI power without rewriting code or rebuilding systems. The next step is choosing where your organization wants to accelerate first. If you want deeper guidance, explore more of the work I've created for leaders adopting AI. Thanks for watching.